akoze okuyita nga tavuganyiziddwa unopposed kiraga nti abantu basiima naffe tusiima emirimu gino gy'oteekawo okutuusa obubaka bwaffe.
We've started Teso sub-region. What do you have for the people of Teso as NRM is concerned?
There is a lot that has been done, yet there is a lot that must be done. So the only way we can ensure that the remaining is done is to be consistent by voting NRM, by voting President Yoweri Museveni. That is the only way. The peace that has been demonstrated and what has been done so far will be done to the people of Teso sub-region. We are very grateful for what they are doing.
In the last election, you had a smaller percentage, because you had around 65% win in the Teso sub-region. What are the strategies now this time around?
This time, the president guided us that the members of NRM must mobilize for the party themselves as structure leaders. We do not have a national task force. We have leaders and various task forces based on the work that they do or based where they reside. So because of the people mobilizing themselves for their party in their areas, the support has drastically increased in recognition of the good work that the NRM has been doing in those respective areas. No, I want to tell the people of Western Uganda that once we have done with Eastern and Busoga, we shall be coming, starting with Kisoro, Chigezi, Ankole, and then we go to the other areas. Wait for us when we are there. We shall celebrate together. May God bless you.
Nurumara Dombo Kandogu ni director wa communications omuchibina echa NRM kandi numuhurensho ngazeni besigangu amrundogu akaruraka next year aka presidential akaruraka ba presidents nibatekateka kubantu bihayo percentage ya 9 kandi Nyenda kugambira iwe nanye uri atayari DStv turiya hatwakire kusimba maka twakire Omuri Kaberamaido eshayo na President Museveni nabana aragara muwaza kureba enyumaha abantu babase kuba nibijuraho kandi bona binekika cyango cyo kubana bareba President Museveni ebintu manifesto yabinire namunonga omunshongezi kwatire nene nguto koze nguto nizikozesebwa buri yomwe kandi zaba zirimbi nabarokizo buchamane dene kindi aha bintu bikwatire namashomero kureba ngo abana akubaza kureba percentage ryaha eminyeto nchumanisa ngo yabe tashomere nabana habaho ikizo buchamane omwihanga so President Museveni na nabantu abaha binekika chamane okureba ngo babasa kurikiriza president enshongezi yabinire aha bikwatire namashomero ebikwatire namarwaro nka haituri aroho health center 2 so nibenda kura plane yabinire kushanga ngo irwaro nkeri babasa kubana bariyongera okongera mu buhereza yenda kugambira ngo abebembezi ba NRM abingi bona bakiraha twineho mukuru w'empanura yihanga kandi ogwen and speaker of parliament ogwen Anita Amongi yaize kubana hika twineho minister was set minister for sports for education and sports that is Peter Ogwanga na yahirize kubana hika set minister wa industrialization and ebyamakorero na wariaha atineho David Kabanda kandogu nowe chibina echa PRU na wariaha kandi harohona na Adrian Kobsinje abandi waza kureba aho enyuma Dr. Jose Chameleone numureba ariona barugahara kandi hamwe na timu yeyo na bariona Elizoba nekintu cyamano munonga koza aroba artists bingi munonga aroho nareba Bebe Cool na Jose Chameleone hariho Arian Skin hamwe na ba regional artists abokurga omuchanga echateso sub region so yori atayari DStv nyenda kugambira ngo Elizoba nkiza kutokota kitafundikire aha Kaberamaido obwe abantu bona bategerize President Yoweri Museveni kubana bahurikiriza manifesto yeye eyabinire omukisanja ekirukwija turiyaha kubana tuhereza buri kimwe cyonesha yona President Museveni nabana aragara mukanye nda kugambira yori atayari DStv ngo shayo nantu bantu ragaza mu President Yoweri Museveni kandi ninyenda ntambatambureho mfuneho bamwe ba leaders abebembeza bari aha batugambire Kaberamaido district nibizibuki ebikusingayo kugiteganisa kandi ni nshongachi ezibetebekanisa kubana bagambira President Museveni kandi naza kubihandoringa ata nyenda ntambureho mpora turebe omwe omubebembezi kandi ogune NRM nyenda tutambure mpora tugambeho na omwe ba MPs abakushanga omuchangechi katumuhurikiriza
tugenda mu 8+ kyakalulu kubanga kyetulabye ko Museveni kyakoze amaaso gano nasobola laba tulaba mutula myoga naye ekisingira ddala gw'omulembe guno gwe tufunye ogwa security saawa zino osobola okutambula okuva e Kaberamaido saawe munoonywa wano chai lunch n'omulya Kampala n'okomawo ate n'olya wana sapa wali edanga road block ziri mu kkubo ziweranga 2 naye kati oyitawo buyisi pyu ffe twakulanga tetusula mu mayumba nga tusula mu nsiko ng'eno konyi bwakuba eno abakoromojo we bakuba naye kati ne bwagala ozuka saawa 8 ozukuka abantu nga tebakyazaala naye ennaku zino n'abalema wali edanga ffe tukula mu klasi nga abalema abaana babeera bangi naye kati abalema batono banange Museveni byakoze bingi muleke nkomaawo Museveni oyo
ensonga ya PDM sente okubanga tezimala
twetaaga ngaffe naffe twagala sub county esinga obungi muno mu Kaberamaido eno parish eyina abantu abakusuka mu 8 n'endala ziringa palatauka kamuku n'olelai so kasatu kendezaako ku size ya parishes esente zijja kumala abantu
abale munonga kandi okuma muhura ogwe yagira ngu PDM babase kubano bafuna munonga kandi hamwe na ebintu bingi bagira ngu akuruga soroti kuza maisa kampala ndokoto adaho ishatu ninga orunaku cheshe ushangura mbara kandi obasa kubatugayo yori hatayari DStv nyenda kugambira ngu turiya hatwasimbira makanda kandi we chora akore orebuke ngu abasa yawe kandi ubakuburiye hamurumo gwawe we chikuriye kwatire orebuke ngu remote ejo nobora mutayari DStv buri kimwe cyo nangiza kubaterire bindu muno kumatwi hayo omwe ahandi kandi bantu iwe nanye ori atayari DStv nyenda kugambira ngu eshayo na President Museveni nabana aragara mukandi tuza kubantu mupereza butunu TV yawe jo tayari DStv eshayo mwine wechikuru kumaho atayari DStv otakarugahunda Adolf Ireka hamwe na ngabirano Ronald aha Kaberamaido.
Weekendeji aha tayari West.
Ayembareba omwana mukwata